What's up, guys? Dante, Summers Tool and Machine. Repairing this crack on this 450 boom here. Deere 450 Traco. Yeah, it's a good start to the day. Well, we did it up on this ledge because we can get the boom down farther, so we're not working up on the ladder and everything all day. Dug it out a little bit to get it a little bit lower, so we can just stand right here on the track and work. It'll be good. Let's get this cleaned up. Just working on get it ground down right now. We're gonna gouge it up more than that. I was just seeing to chase the crack. Beautiful day out today though. See, the other side's already been repaired. Same thing we'll be doing. Alright, here we are now. We got this all ground down flush. Right now I just started grinding out that crack. Stops like right here, so we're gonna drill the end of it down here, right around here somewhere. Stops, we'll drill the end of that. About a 5/16 drill just to prevent any further cracking. We'll weld this up, grind it back down flush, and then I have a 6-inch piece of 5/8 plate and we'll torch cut out, put there, we'll weld it up good, and should be good to go. Got it all welded up. It went over originally 60/11 1/8 inch just to get a bottom root in there, and then did 2 passes of 70/18 5/30 seconds to fill it up. Now we're going to grind it back down flush so we can get our plate on there. We'll cut that to size, get it put up there, fill up all around it, and we'll be out of here. Got it filled up, ground back down. And our plate welded up.